see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
I don't wanna forget, no, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other, 'cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar.
Today is January 25. Hindi ako nag-vlog, pero eto, ipakita ko sa inyo yung dinner namin. Creamy chicken with broccoli. Kahapon si Jan yung nagluto ng dinner namin, spaghetti. So, yan yung dinner namin tonight, guys.
Guys, I'm having dinner now, and my mom cooked this for our dinner, and Dad cooked his yesterday. It was a noodles, and I'm eating my chicken. Something goes. And then that's my, this story. You know the spoon, it can't grab chicken because it's not a fork. This is a spoon to grab some rice. This is a fork to grab it. It's very pointy and I can eat it. It's gonna be a lot, right? Mommy, I want more chicken, please.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have water after I've done. Water's healthy for you. And so I'm gonna see you on the next vlog, guys.
You want more chicken?
Yes.
Good morning, guys! Happy Australia Day! Today is January 26, Wednesday. And today, relax lang ang Australia Day natin kasi wala tayong bisita. Kasi 'di ba, parang naging tradition na namin ng mga girls na dito sila nagsi-celebrate ng Australia Day. This year, hindi 'yun mangyayari kasi ang daming cases ngayon dito sa SA. Dito sa lugar namin, meron ding mga cases kaya nga hindi ako lumalabas. Kaya nung nag-grocery tayo, 'yun yung pinaka parang pangalawang beses ko pa lang na lumabas ng January na pumunta ng town. Yung first, hindi ako nung nag-vlog eh. Kunti lang kasi yung, may kinuha lang ako nun sa, sa coast. Tapos, yung first grocery talaga natin, yung isang araw, yun. Yun yung first grocery natin. Kasi nga, parang ayoko munang pumunta na every week. Kasi natatakot ako kasi hindi natin alam kung sino yung mga nakakasalubong natin. Kahit naguhugas tayo, may mas tayo, nakakatakot. Kaya kayo din dyan, ingat-ingat. So, ngayon, relax ang Australia Day natin. Si Jan, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko sa inyo kasi nga, this January, pasulput-sulput lang din yung vlog ko. Hindi ako masyado nag-vlog kasi una-una, busy rin ako. Mayroon akong kinakabisihan, guys. Abangan nyo yun. Ngayong 2022, mayroon tayong gagawin. And then, ano pa ba? Itinatapos ko yung late vlogs, kaya hindi ako masyado nag-vlog para hindi ako maipunan o matambakan. Nag-vlog si Sak. Sak? Did you vlog, Sak?
Yeah.
Parang nag-vlog si Sak nung punta sila ng beach. Pero very, very light lang yon. Then, si Jan, si Huli. Si Jan nagluto kasi nakikita yung sobrang busy ko, guys. Ito yung temporary. Hindi. Ito na yung office ko. Wow, office. May office na ako. So, dito ako lagi. So, nakikita ni Jan na sobrang busy ako. Tapos, nag-offer siya na siya magluto ng spaghetti. First time ni Jan magluto ng spaghetti. Kung napanood nyo yun. And si Huli yung kanyang vlogger. And ako din, inaano ko siya, parang tinitingnan ko pa rin siya kasi nga, first time niya sa kusina na siya lang na hindi ako tumutulong talaga. And marami din siyang hinahanap na kailangan ko pa rin ituro sa kanya kung saan nakalagay. So, yun yung nangyayari ngayon sa amin, yun ang ating update. Ayan yung guys, malapit na tayong maging updated talaga kasi hindi ako masyado nag-vlog ngayong January dahil sobrang busy natin. And, yeah, soon, mayroon tayong gagawin. Abangan nyo yun, guys. And yung Christmas tree ko pala, guys, hindi ko pa inaalis. Nandun pa rin siya, oh. Doon pa rin ang ating may mga ano pa rin tayo. Mayroon pa rin tayong Christmas decor dito. Kasi hindi ko pa inaalis. Kasi nga, una, sabi ko sa inyo, sobrang busy ko. And then, pag tinanggal ko yung parang nagagandang kasi ako sa kanya. Na nakaupo ako dito, tapos siya yung nakikita ko. Pag inalis ko yan, wala na tayo dyan na view. Kaya hindi ko muna siya inaalis. So, yeah. Yun yung ating ganap nangyayari ngayon dito sa amin. Yun ang update ko sa inyo. Hindi ko alam, nasabi ko ba sa inyo na umalis si Jan ng 3 o'clock in the morning today para mangisda. Hanapan niya ako ng blue eye kasi sobrang sarap ng blue eye, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag niya sa akin. Hindi siya masyadong malansa. Pang-ilalim siyang isda. Yung parang sa batong isda. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam. Basta masarap siyang isda, guys. So, ngayon, kasama niya, dalawa yata yung kasama niya. So, tatlo silang nag-fishing. So, abangan natin yung kung ano yung mahuhuli ni Jan. Pero hindi ko yun maluluto kasi anong oras pa siya darating. So, we'll see kung ano ang gagawin namin ng mga bata. For sure, magpipias lang sila. And then, yeah, we'll see kung anong kakainin namin. Kasi very unusual na hindi ako nagluluto ngayon sa kusina na Australia Day. Usually, sobrang busy ko na yan. Umaga pa lang, as in sobrang aga pa lang may niluluto na tayo. Ngayon wala. So, mag-work muna tayo dito, guys. Kuha ko ng ng breakfast ko. Kuha lang tayo ng breakfast. Kids, what do you want for breakfast?
Yogurt, please.
So, yogurt. Okay. Si Huli tulog pa eh. I only have one left. My God. Ito pa pala isa.
Can I have a moose?
No, that's dessert. So, ito yung kanilang breakfast.
Strawberry.
Hey, boys. You're gonna put this outside. Yun yung mga empty cans. And ako,
Well, I don't feel like yogurt, but like my mouth is too not dry.
no, you have to drink water. You have to mix it first.
Well, I never done that.
Wala na, ubos na to, guys. Si Holly, mamaya na lang siya. Tulog pa kasi siya eh. Ako, eto yung Dairy Farmers na yogurt. Tapos yung etong Sansol na probiotic yung ayan.
What's
your name doing?
Cards.
Muesli. Ang ginagawa ko, eto, binubuksan. Siyempre, bubuksan natin to. Then, where's my... Sayang to eh. Hmm.
Oh no, I had an error. Just say our game crashed. Our game crashed. Our game crashed. So we went back in. Wait, what's your name? What is that?
So, minimix ko lang siya dito sa yogurt.
What? No, you got one.
Tapos, maglalas na ako niyan hanggang hapon.
What?
As in, nabubusog ako dito. Tas,
They're not here.
uminom lang ako ng maraming tubig.
They're not in the basket. Oh, Pedro. Good job. Hi, Mike.
And then, pag gusto ko pa, pag halimbawa kalahati na siya, naglalagay ulit ako nito. Okay. Ayan. Lagyan natin ito.
Hi. Where are you, Max?
Hi, kids!
There.
After that game, put this outside first, okay? Okay, punta na tayo dun sa aking working area. At ang working area natin, guys. And yung gamit ko pala na andito yung aking ginamit na lip tint. Oops.
At least.
Yeah, wait.
How did Mason die?
Ito yung dustic na
No, I can tell.
water gloss tint. Yung shade na gamit ko today is Blooming Red.
No, that's what Mason is.
And nag-cushion tayo yung lights camera action. Nag-ayos na ako, guys, kasi wala lang. Kahit dito tayo sa bahay. And Australia Day kasi naman. Kaya nag-ayos tayong very, very light. And nagbihes. And ang aga ko pala nagising, 6 o'clock. So, nakalinis na ako ng bahay. Then, yun nga, yung mga bata, ilalabas na lang nila yung mga empty cans. Tapos, mamaya isipin ko kung anong gagawin namin for lunch.
Where's my food?
So, yan yung ating breakfast. Naglalas to sa akin hanggang hapon.
No, where we're down wrong.
So, kain muna ako guys ng aking breakfast. Then, mag-work ako. Mag-edit na ako.
Don't me. You got the pump. You got the pump.
Mamaya lang. Ubus na guys. Sobrang sarap.
Yeah, but that's
Mamaya kuha ako ng tubig kasi ito.
That's for Corby. Not us.
Naubos ko na rin yung tubig. So, dinadamihan ko lang din pag-inom ng tubig para busog na busog talaga tayo. And then, maglalas na ako niya ng mga hapon. Eh, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo about kay Jan. Si Jan, guys, tapos na siya mag-fishing ng lobster. Nakuha niya na yung quota niya 2 weeks ago. Kasi nga, hindi ako masyado nagbablog, diba? Hindi ako everyday nagbablog, kaya hindi ko na kayo na-update. So, yeah, tapos na siya. And then, nilulook forward na namin na makuha yung caravan kasi tapos na si Jan mag-work. So, yun yung mga aabangan nyo pa sa amin aside doon sa aking bagong gagawin. And then, yun, caravan. Punta tayo somewhere pag okay. Pag okay, kasi nga, sa sitwasyon natin ngayon, hindi natin alam kung pwede tayong lumabas or hindi. And good news din pala guys, yung kapatid ko, yung nasa UK, nag-message siya sa akin na na-promote siya. Sobrang proud ako sa kanya kasi hindi pa, wala pa siyang 2 years eh. Magto 2 years yata siya in 2 months. And then na-promote siya guys. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. And congratulations again sa kapatid kong yan. Sobrang workaholic talaga siya. And tinawagan ko siya kanina. Nasa ano siya, nasa car. On the way siya sa work. Gabi yun, gabi ata doon. Kasi ang dilim-dilim eh. Basta gabi na siguro yun. So, yeah, congratulations. We are so proud of you. Hindi niya pa yata natawagan sila mama kasi nga papunta rin siya sa work. I'm not sure kung nasabi niya. Pero we are so proud of you. Congratulations. And yeah, mamaya na lang. Ang ingay ng dalawa.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time?
Gising na siya. Good morning. Kausap ko yung kapatid ko, guys. Hey, good morning. And nilabas niya na yung gusto niyang kainin for breakfast. So, bigyan lang muna natin si Holly ng breakfast.
See ya, tita.
Okay, see. Kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Ito yung kanyang breakfast. Okay, Baba.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, okay. Balik na ako dito sa aking business business partner. Hi, Sissy. Say hi to my vlog. Okay. So, mamaya na lang ulit, guys.
Do you remember when we couldn't get enough of it all? We kept it going for so long, so long. I don't know where I would be if we let it go. Cause every time we try to break it down and build again, yeah, every time we try to make up for something lost, you know, we're never letting go. This time we can reach the sky on a prayer, we go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, cause it's something we can deny. But with a love like this, we'll never fall. All of a sudden you'll be standing there with someone new, cause it's been going so wrong for so long. Let's keep this dream alive, the art of letting go. Cause every time we try to make a stand and start again, yeah, every time we try to make up and make amends, you know, when push comes to shove, this time we can reach the sky on a prayer, we go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, cause it's something we can deny. But with a love like this, why can't you see what you're doing to me? Please don't leave me hanging like this. I try to recall and make sense of it all. I never thought it'd come down to this. Let's try to make a new start. Do you remember when we couldn't get enough of it all? We kept it going for so long, so long. You know, we're never letting go. This time we can reach the sky on a prayer, we go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, cause it's something we can deny. Oh, this time we can reach the sky on a prayer, we go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, cause it's something we can deny. But with a love like this, we'll never fall.
Update, guys. 12:22 na. Nagbabay muna ako sa kapatid ko kasi pakainin ko muna yung mga bata. Kunin ko lang. Mayroon ako ditong mga fruits. I-chop ang mga to. Yeah, oops. May cake pa tayo dito. Ayan. Meron tayong watermelon. Meron pang tawag yan. Meron pa. Sandali lang. Kunin ko muna lahat, guys. Paano? Ayan. Para-paraan. Para mabuksan yung cake. Kunin ko muna yung mga fruits. Wait lang. Para ma-chop natin. So, ayan na yung mga fruits. And, meron pa ko dun, yung rock melon, tsaka yung pinsan nila, yung bago. Nakita nyo na yon before. Pakita ko lang sa inyo mga bata. Ayan sila, oh. Si Huli, did you have a go?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
2 goes, 3
She's right. Like every time a person comes to her, she's like, I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
Okay.
Like, oh, now I
Kasi kasuhin ko na yung kanilang lunch. Hiwain ko na yung mga fruits. Mag-cheese platter tayo, guys. Ngayong Australia Day. So, hiwain ko lang mga yan. Bago ko hiwain yung mga fruits, nilabas ko muna pala yung aking mga serving set. Eto, nabili ko to sa Target. Nung may Target pa kami dito sa amin. Ngayon, wala na yung Target. Tapos, eto sa house yata to, etong dalawa. So, gamitin natin ang mga yan. Panakat yung mga fruits kasi hinugasan ko muna yung ating mga serving sets. And, katext ko yung mga girls. Nagdo-throwback na lang kami, oh. Eto, meron kami mga silay ata to. Sinandya yung ginawa namin nung last year na Australia Day. Nag-TikTok kami. Tapos tingnan nyo si Ayla tsaka yung dalawang bata. Ang lilit pa ni Ayla, oh.
Look at Isla.
Oh, look at Ayla, Baba.
Wait, when was that?
Last year. Puro TikTok kami last year. So, nahugasan ko ng mga to.
You know what ice cream?
No, later, Baba. Gusto nila mag-ice cream.
What's this one now?
Yeah, so ikat ko na yung mga fruits. Ha? Ginagamit ko yung pang time-lapse, yung isa kong camera. Kasi eto, very bright tong isa. Yun okay lang. Sira lang ang voice dun eh. Sabog.
Is this for our lunch?
Yes.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go?
Malapit na to.
Wow, Mom. Put a lot of effort in this.
Yep. Almost done. No, this one, not that one, this one.
Thank you.
Because that one's not right yet.
Ooh, pizza.
Almost done.
Do you have like one more to do?
I have more to do.
Oh,
Cherry.
that's one more.
Cherries.
I love cherries, but guys, you don't eat cherries.
Busog na to. Kanina pa si Huli kumakain ng ano.
So,
Ng... Oh.
Mom, I could have dropped in the I only like watermelon, strawberry, watermelon, kiwi, and
Everything.
yeah, everything I love because I love that kiwi and that watermelon.
Yeah, malapit na siya. Yung ano na lang. Yung salami. Then mag-melt ako ng chocolate para sa kanilang strawberries and other fruits para mag-dip-dip lang sila.
And mine's if you like make something like a chocolate thing and then you mix it on a day, you just wait. You done that before dip the strawberries in there.
Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna make that chocolate. We're gonna melt the chocolate. Okay guys, tapusin ko to. Malapit na.
But
Ano na lang, linisan ko na lang dito. Just melt the chocolate, Papa.
like that chocolate.
No, the other one.
Oh, the brown chocolate.
Tapos ko na ikat lahat ng fruits. And nagtingin ako sa pantry kung meron ako yung milk chocolate na bar. Wala na. Ito lang yung meron ako yung white chocolate. So, ito na lang ang ating may melt. Ayan na yung fruits, oh. So, ayan na yung mga fruits. Nilabas ko na rin yung crackers. Ito yung fig and black olive. And meron din tayong Jats, Clicks. And yung isang, yung original niya, yung gustong-gusto ni Kuya. Nandun pa pala, hindi ko pa nakuha. And meron tayong Doritos. Pero ang gagawin ko muna ay, i-melt ko muna to. Then, gawin ko na yung salami. Tapos yung cheese. So, i-melt na muna natin tong chocolate. So, ito na yung ating white chocolate dip. So, ilalagay ko to dyan mamaya. Or ngayon na, ilagay ko na. So, yan na siya, guys. So, i-transfer ko na siya dito. Yung mga bata, mga kausap nila, mga kaibigan nila dito. Classmate. Ayan. Eksakto, tamang-tama lang, oh. Tamang-tama lang yung ginawa ko. Oops. Harap. So, ito pala yung mga cheese. Meron tayong Jarlsberg, Brie, kalimutan ko yung ano ba yung apricot na cream cheese. Yun ang nakalimutan kong bilhin. So, lagay na natin yan dito. And yung salami pala. Si Huli pala guys, umiiyak kasi meron siyang tinatago sa akin na hindi niya pinapakita sa akin. Then, every time na ina-ask ko siya na ipakita sa akin, lumalayo siya sa akin, umiiyak siya kahit sinasabihan ko lang siya na, let me see your knee. Kasi guys, mayroong nangyari kay Holi na ako lang ang hindi nakakaalam. Lahat sila, si Sak kumakain ng grapes. Stop it! You're gonna be full. Si Sak,
I'm starving.
ah, you're starving. Wait lang. Tingnan mo yung grapes, guys. Ito na lang yung natira, oh.
Thank you.
Tingnan nyo. Oh, thank you. Ayan, oh. Kain siya ng kain ng grapes. So, silang mag-aama, sila lang ang nakakaalam kung anong nangyari kay Holi. Napansin ko kasi si Holi, guys, lagi siyang naka-leggings. Hindi siya nag-short. And then, pag tinatawag ko siyang maligo na kami, sasabihin niya sa akin later. Sasabay na lang siya sa daddy niya. Pinalitan ko yung cheese na Jalsberg kasi eto, mag-expired to sa March. Yung isa sa April pa. So, eto na lang muna ang unahin natin. Let me see.
Wait.
Let me see.
Hi. I'm afraid.
Let me see. Change topic talaga to. Let me see.
No.
Tina-tiger look ko siya. Let me see.
No.
Ayaw niya talaga. Si Jan ang papagalitan ko mamaya.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like
Ito na yung ating cheese platter, guys. And, ayan. Yung mga fruits. So, i-arrange ko lang to dun sa table. Wait lang, guys, ha.
A Dorito! This is gonna be my great lunch ever. Yep, my great lunch ever. Right, good cream.
Ayun na, guys, nalagay ko na sa table. So, yan yung handa natin ngayong Australia Day. Kasi tayo-tayo lang naman. Yan na sila. Tawagin ko na yung mga boys. Turn it off, boys. Turn it off first. And that's it. Wala pa rin si Jan. Mamaya pa yung hapon. So, lunch na tayo, guys. Oh, go. Wash your hands. Hoy. Excuse me. Wash your hands.
I wash my hands when I go to the pool.
No, wash your hands.
Oh, guys,
Do it properly. Wash your hands properly.
we did.
Fritz. Yeah, may nasabi ko ba, may smiley Fritz ako dito. Pa-music tayo. Say, Happy Australia Day!
Happy Australia Day.
Pa-music tayo. Say, Happy Australia Day!
Happy Australia Day.
Meron ako yung yung plastic na parang toothpick. Hindi ko mahanap. Yung parang pang sana sa fruits. Rock, it's dripping sock.
Have this one.
Fine.
Want to have this?
Yeah. Baba.
I'm gonna try this. You like this?
Yeah.
Is it good?
You like it? That's the one you like, the olive. The green olive?
Oh, no then.
Si Kuya, you have to try. You don't like it?
Yeah. You want it?
Ayaw ni Sak yung may feet.
Oh, I miss that. I want that.
Like it.
I like the fruit fig.
The fruit.
Can you please pass me the drink?
That's actually good. But I can't reach. I was about to throw it. Okay. This way. Oh, for competition. Mom,
Try this with the
look at this. That's good.
Yeah.
I like the topping.
I put all my strawberries in there.
It's flying over and flying over. Oh, haven't tried that smiley face. I want.
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud. In another time, in another place, we could be lovers that can be replaced. But I still believe this time we got something, something. We paved the way on the other side while making plans to live a good life. But something is better than nothing at all. Don't you know that if you walk away,
You don't get any.
I'm having apple juice.
Who wants apple juice? Holly wants apple juice. Well, I'll have a fruit, but Holly's having apple juice.
Go get her, please.
Mommy, could you cut me a grapefruit, a green grape?
Grapes? There's grapes for her. That's strawberries.
Thank you. We are finished.
Okay.
Hey. Huh?
Okay, let's have a race again. I can see a bit in your mouth.
nothing ever change. Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life, gotta live it out loud.
Tapos na sila. I thought you're done, yeah. Okay, so yan yung mga natira. Pero hindi ko muna yan itatago o ililigpit kasi for sure kakainin pa nila yan. So, yes. Ito masarap, matamis. Si Sak sabi nagkaka-headache daw siya pag kumakain ng watermelon. May dalawa pang strawberries. Mag-edit muna ako. Tingnan sila.
I'm gonna eat the rest of the strawberries.
Binabalik-balikan pa rin nila. Enough na nila yung TV.
Thanks.
Diba? Sabi ko na sa inyo, mauubos din yan.
Where would I?
Pardon?
I haven't asked you.
Later.
I said after lunch, but we
Yeah.
have to have a rest.
Yes.
We have to wash. Oh, I forgot to wash my food down.
Huh. Ibibuntan niya raw iwash yung food niya.
I need two for the flip
What?
I'm making.
Salami? Yeah. It's in the fridge. Tingnan si Kuya, magsa-sandwich siya.
No!
Hey Kuya, tell the people what happened to you when you were at the beach.
I jumped off the pontoon and sprained my foot.
Na-spray niya yung foot niya. Kaya medyo naglilimping-limping siya. Yung dalawa, ayun, tinuturuan ni Sak si Huli. Ang cute.
There's not a salami?
It's in the fridge, Kuya. Where's all the cheese? Ang cute na si
Oh, yeah.
Batas pa yan kay Huli, Sag.
Item that.
Tingnan niyo si Kuya. Show your sandwich, Kuya. Salami with cheese. Minelt niyo yung cheese sa... Did you melt the cheese? A little bit in the microwave?
I melt the whole thing.
Ah, yung tinapay, nilagay niya sa microwave. Saglit, para mag-melt yung cheese. Dilim sa labas. Makulimlim. Ano na, alas 3 na, guys. At hindi, mag-ano na pala, 3:35 na.
How much?
Dito na si John, guys.
My song.
Ready para this year. You're so wet. Was it raining there?
Mom, you wanna swap? Mom, you wanna swap?
Why are you wearing my slippers?
I feel comfortable.
I know. Very comfortable. Hi, Tom. Good.
Cheers, Tommy. Catch that.
Oh, you already cut it off, babe. It's already cut.
Yeah. Hey.
Ah, what's that? What kind of fish?
What do they
That?
call it? Frosty fish.
Frost.
Yeah.
Frost
Say
fish.
it, Tom.
See it, Tom. What's this?
That's a nanny guy.
Nani guy. Where's the blue eye hand? No.
Getting involved.
Ah, walang blue eye. Shark lang ang mga young guys.
They're not.
How you gonna cook that one, huh?
That's Logan.
Ah, Logan. Is that Logan? I thought James. Sorry.
Come on.
Ah, sorry.
That's
I thought James.
He ain't got
What is it? Mom.
Hold that. Put in the freezer. Put in the freezer.
No, I can video.
No.
No, bye. No.
Para siyang ano sa atin. Ano, masarap to sa bawan. Sa bawan ko to bukas.
like that.
Pinapawakan.
I'm not gonna bloody bite you.
Come on. Hold it, Zach. I think it's taller than you.
Probably is.
Yeah. Hold it, Han. Let me see how long it is.
Taller than you boys already.
Yeah, it is. Hold it, Zach.
Yeah, it's taller than you.
Hold it properly, please, Han.
Huh?
Hold it properly. Yeah. So, dadalhin niya ni Log.
Yeah, I don't know. Some people love coda, like a full, you know.
But that's white. They're
Yeah,
saying
but that's
white
not-
flesh.
Yeah,
So
it's
it looks
not.
like cheddar, but it's not.
It's
Parang siyang espada sa atin, no?
definitely colour.
Ito, kusiduhong ko yun kung sa Bicol.
That other fish, what was that on?
That's the
Jellyfish.
broad
Oh,
bills.
that was white.
Yeah, the broad bill, because it's so long that they'll come and whack with their beak,
That's
snap their back.
Yep.
Good luck.
Yep.
So, ilagay muna natin tong isda dito kasi bukas yan ang aking ulam. Kusido kung sa Bicol. Time check, 6:25 na, guys. And ayan, fruits na yung natira. Meron pang cheese, nilagay ko na sa fridge. And si Jan, nag-order na lang siya ng sarili niya. Kasi yung mga bata, tinanong niya, busog pa raw sila. Let me see your knee.
No. I don't want to see my name.
How big is it, babe? Whatever. Is it bad? Is it bad? Huh? Let me see now. Hoy. Show me.
Wait now.
Show me now, please. Hoy. Jenny boy.
No. Said no.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Ayaw niya talaga. Tina-tiger look ko na nga siya. Okay, I'm not gonna be angry. Let me see. How big is it, babe? Is it bad, honey? Huh? Is it bad? Huh? No? You sure? Babe,
Oh,
are you putting something?
yeah.
That big, you watch me.
Ah,
If it's
you
big.
just said you won't get angry. See, that's why it's not show.
Wow! How that happened? You were there with them.
She
Success.
said, oh, and I go, what? She must have kneeled down to put in that little thing. It must have, you know, the sparklers.
Yeah.
They kneeled on the hot bit. Oh.
You were there, hon. My God. Yan pala yung
I'll
dinner
still put
niya.
that on like feel
Yeah. Yan yung dinner niya. Pizza and cold noodles. Ayaw niya yung plate niya kasi lagi siyang nagbe-bend. Mas gusto niya raw doon. Inahihirapan yung mga bata. Pag may gusto silang kunin ba like bowl or glass. What kind of pizza is that? Hawaiian?
Oh.
Yung mga bata ayaw kumain. Tinanong ni John kung, oh, it's not pizza.
Nah.
What's
no,
the,
I never just get that.
what's the snitzy? Ah, farmy.
For one of these.
Yung mga bata, binabalik-balikan pa naman nila yung fruit. Hey, show me. Oh, did you sleep? Tulog si kuya, guys, oh. Tulog si kuya, oh. Busog sa cheese platter. Happy Australia Day, babe!
Yeah, thanks. We're going to that pub in the city.
In the city? When?
Remember that Cobra's one? On the corner?
Yeah.
In the city there? That
Yeah.
all sat?
Yeah. Punta kami sa ano, guys, sa Adelaide. When? Friday or Saturday? Hoy, when? When are we leaving? Friday or Saturday?
What?
Friday. So, sa Friday, guys. So, ngayon, Wednesday. So, sa Friday, punta kami ng Adelaide. Ang tagal din, na. It's been a while, babe. No? Di kinaya ni Johnny Boy. Sabi ko, ako na lang ang uubos.
Ah?
No ice cream for me.
Oh, wow.
Colour
Any? I don't like that one. I would like the bula, babe, please.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Ah,
It's a bit. But it's starting to get smushed up in your mouth anyway.
ano ba yan? Anong oras na? 7 na, guys.
Any?
So, ito yung itsura ng bola, guys, na yogurt ice cream. Yep.
I don't want ice cream.
Kuya TJ don't like it. Same as Holly. Tingnan nyo. Ganito yung... Lifesavers, that one.
Yeah.
Ganito yung itsura niya kasi may isang bata na nagbukas ng ref, ng freezer.
Hello, George.
Na nagbukas ng freezer tapos hindi niya nasara. Give it to daddy. I have one here.
I already have one.
Ay, ano ba yan? TJ, finish this first please before you play. Naglaro na naman sila after ng news. Nag-on na naman yung PS nila. Give it to kuya.
What?
Sarap.
Yeah, no, he was.
Raspberry ata. Raspberry to.
You have to have a mom doesn't
Sarap.
want that.
Time check, 8:25 na, guys. Si Holly kanina pa dyan. Inuubos niya yung watermelon. Is there any watermelon there, Holly? No more. So, inubos niya na. And ako, I'm still editing, guys. Hindi ko siya matapos-tapos kasi kailangan kong kausap yung kapatid ko. Holly, your foot. Remove your foot from the table. So, yeah. Sabi ko mamaya na lang. Mamaya tatawagin ulit.
You have a lot of work to do.
Yes.
Have Dad cooked before?
You did.
Oh yeah, noodles.
What noodles? Spaghetti.
Yes, spaghetti I mean.
Guys, 10 o'clock na. Nakalimutan ko na kayo. Tulog na yung mga bata. Sinara na nila yung pintuan doon. So, close na natin yung vlog. Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, guys. Hugas na tayo ng mukha. Ooh.